your metal detector, take it to the coast. You will find some treasure underneath the stones.
Good morning, YouTubers. I know you can't see anything because it's very dark and it's very early, but I'm off digging. Woohoo, bring it on. Just going to pick our friends up now, and I'd just like to say I've just looked at my subscriptions on YouTube and I'm 16 away from 700, and I'm absolutely amazed about, and I truly appreciate every single one, and I might do a competition when I get to 700. Right, we're at the dig now. It's really windy, raining. I'm dressed like a Michelin man. There's my first find, a musket ball, and it looks like a bit of scrapite. Next signal, a coin. It's so muddy I can't even tell what it is. It's really raining, and half of them have gone under a shelter. I'm already wet through, so I might as well stay wet. Right, everybody's gone home apart from 1, 2, 3, 5 of us. They all had wrong waterproofs on. They got wet, so they've all gone home. But it's actually stopping raining now. I think that's a threepence. I'm so muddy I can't even put focus on the camera. This one's possibly a Roman coin. It's all misshaped. Can't see anything on it. Clean it up when I get home. Let's find some kind of weight, lead weight. I just dug that, and that's how it was in the soil. So I thought, woohoo, silver! But look at the back. It's a button. I'm such a plonker. Look at this. Look at my ring. Jesus found a ring. And it's gold. We have gold. All marks in there.
I would have walked over that.
Oh, they're all crying because they all walked past it.
No, I was walking up to it. Actually, do you know what? I was just going to
Well done, Steve. I just found one of them again. It looks silver, but on the back is green. See how much mud I've got on me? It's just poured it down, and it's finally stopped raining, and it's about 2 o'clock now. So we've had 9, 10, 11, 5 hours of solid rain. I just found this ring thing, but the area where I am, it's quite possible it could be ring money. Too much mud on it. I'm going to have to go and change my gloves because I'm a bit caked in mud. Here's the little beauty. What did you find?
A gold ring! A little gold ring!
A little one. It's a big gold ring.
It's a little gold ring! It's only a big gold ring when you've got little fingers!
Right, we're home now. I didn't find too many good finds today. If you could have seen how soaked everyone was. It rained constantly, and half the people went home because the waterproofs weren't waterproof at all. But we stuck it out anyway. So thanks to the people who invited us. I think they call that ring money. 1, 2, 3 coins toasted. That one's a threepenny bit. I think it's 1957. Where I usually film it, I can't film it there because I've got my slow cooker on. buttons, musket ball. That looks like a medieval loom weight. It's got the hole straight through, made out of lead. One of them doodads again, and some little bullets. But I've kept these little things on just to show you what your machine's capable of finding, how small and deep. And when you've got 10 inches of mud sliming all on your gloves, it's really hard to see what you've got. That lead there's got some markings on it, possibly a bag seal or something. So yeah, that's it. Oh, I also heard on the grapevine that Gary Garrett might be making a comeback. He said so himself. Watch this space. He's such a plonker. And thank you to everyone who watches, comments and subscribes. And good luck and happy hunting to everyone too. So bye for now. Bye.